Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Facebook how to fix 307 temporary redirect. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can need to do is open up your app store and on the search bar simply type in Facebook. And then tap on search, and once it loads, tap on the Facebook app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. And once you do that, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, tap on general, and inside general tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down and then tap on Facebook, and once you're inside here, tap on offload app. And what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app that might be causing the issue. And once the process is complete, tap on delete app, and once that process is complete, what you can do is try again, and that will fix the issue. And that's basically how to fix 307 temporary redirect. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.